क्या हम एंडलेस यूपीएससी साइकिल के विक्टिम बन चुके हैं? डू वी फील burnt out, stressed, with lot of self-doubt, anxiety, and if I use the fancy word, are in depression? Then you must watch this video. Hello friends, my name is Brita and I have spent 6 years of my life in the UPSC preparation. And with my personal experience, I would like to tell you that why taking care of your health becomes the most important aspect during our preparation. 2025 स्टार्ट हो चुका है. हमारे दोस्तों ने, रिश्तेदारों ने, सब ने डिफरेंट रेजोल्यूशंस लिए होंगे. लेकिन हम यूपीएससी एस्पिरेंट्स के लिए क्या रहता है? जनवरी स्टार्ट हो गया, अब प्रीलिम्स प्रिपरेशन में जुट जाना है. मई में प्रीलिम्स है, देन अगस्त में मेंस, देन दिसंबर में मेंस के रिजल्ट्स. एंड ऐसा लगता है कि होल ईयर हैज बीन कंप्लीटेड इन दिस प्रिपरेशन इटसेल्फ. तो डेफिनेटली एंड दिस कीप ऑन रिपीटिंग एंड यूपीएससी साइकिल feels like never ending cycle. We become so busy chasing our goal that we often forget to take care of ourselves. As the saying goes, that there is no path to happiness, rather happiness is the path. So let's talk about how to actualize this saying. We have to take care of our health in a holistic manner. When I say holistic, it means we have 3 aspects of our health: body, mind and soul. And we have to take care of every aspect. So first, let's talk about our body or physical health. As we all know that long study hours, junk food and irregular sleep patterns take a toll on our health. But remember, your body is your vehicle for this journey. So we have to take utmost care of our physical health. So what should we do? We have to start our day right. 10 मिनट का स्ट्रेच और योगा सेशन कैन वर्क वंडर्स. ये हमें एनर्जाइज करता है. एंड सेकेंड, अवॉइड स्किपिंग मील्स और रिलाइंग ऑन द जंक फूड. जनरली हम मील स्किप कर देते हैं, देन वी बिकम विक्टिम ऑफ द एसिडिटी. और जब एक बार तबीयत खराब होती है तो पूरा दिन हमारा वेस्ट हो जाता है. तो बेटर टू टेक केयर ऑफ सच थिंग्स. कई बार हमें लगता है कि हम अपनी स्लीप पे कॉम्प्रोमाइज करेंगे तो हम स्टार्स पढ़ लेंगे. बट बिलीव मी, sacrificing sleep for extra study hours is counterproductive. Aim for 6 to 7 hours of quality rest because our brain needs a quality sleep to process the information. So please do not underestimate the sleep. It is very important to have a appropriate quality sleep. Then physical exercise. Even a 20-minute walk daily can boost your focus and reduce stress. Physical activity is not an optional. It's essential. So please include this in your daily routine. कितना भी बिजी शेड्यूल है, चाहे जो करना है, लेकिन प्लीज मिनिमम 20 मिनट्स यू हैव टू गो फॉर ए वॉक. डू सम योगा एंड प्राणायाम्स. यूट्यूब पे बहुत सारे अच्छे फ्री वीडियोस अवेलेबल हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सात्विक मूवमेंट. यू कैन डू दीज योगा क्लासेस इन फॉर्म ऑफ अ चैलेंज. They are just 15 to 20 minutes. Please do it. So overall around 45 minutes we should keep for our physical health minimum in terms of walk, yoga, pranayam. And agar extra time hai, definitely we can have a workout for long time, but minimum 45 minutes is a must. Then comes the mind. The pressure to perform, fear of failure and constant comparison impacts our mental health a lot. So how to take care of the mental health? First of all, I think in digital era, we should practice digital detox. There should be times when we are free from our phone, we are with our physical self-help books or some other inspirational or fictional, whatever kind of books we want to read. We should rely on books, spending time with our friends, family and loved ones. We should practice mindfulness. Means around 10 to 15 minutes daily we should do meditation or deep breathing. Again ये प्राणायाम का भी part है. It clears your mind and improves your concentration. Also plan smartly. Means break the preparation into smaller achievable goals. Use the box strategy. Every small win keeps you motivated. So on small achievements, appreciate yourself, motivate yourself and continue on the journey. मेंटल हेल्थ के लिए जब भी आप सोने जाएं तो उससे एटलीस्ट 1 आवर पहले अपना स्क्रीन टाइम बंद कर दें. हम लोगों की ऐसी आदत होती है कि हमें लगता है कि हाँ रात में ही सब पढ़ना है. नहीं, रात में अगर पढ़ना है तो सिट विद योर फिजिकल बुक्स, सिट विद योर नोट्स, नोट विद योर फोन और लैपटॉप. Don't keep on checking others' WhatsApp status or Insta stories. No need. It will demotivate and distract you. So I would advise use WhatsApp and Insta minimum. It is very important that you go with a calm mind on your bed to sleep, to get up fresh and energetic on the next morning to start a brand new day. Third aspect is nourishing your soul. It deals with emotional and spiritual aspect of your journey. It is very easy to lose touch with yourself amidst the chaos, but this is where true strength lies. Engage in hobbies, whether it is reading, gardening, or music. Take time to do something that brings you joy. It's not a waste of time, it's a recharge. Practice gratitude. Write down 3 things you are grateful for every day. It shifts your focus from stress to positivity. Be thankful to the God for a brand new day. Thanks the universe for keeping us in place. Thanks for our family support, for our friends, our surroundings. For instance, if you are able to afford the coachings, you should be very grateful because many of us cannot. Enjoy the process. Instead of fixating on results, focus on how much you are learning and growing. Remember, this journey is shaping you for life, not just an exam, because it's a marathon. Apart from this, just take a weekly reset day to declutter your space and recharge your energy. For instance, हम पढ़ते रहते हैं हमारी टेबल पे बुक्स का ढेर बन जाता है. So on a particular day, or I would say कि every night before you go to sleep, reset your table. Just declutter it and reset it for the next morning, so that on next morning when you get up, you have the books on your table which you are going to read in the particular day. Find an accountability partner to keep each other motivated and share struggles. Again, this is very helpful because जब हम अकेले तैयारी कर रहे होते हैं तो हमें आइडिया भी नहीं लगता कि हम कहाँ स्टैंड कर रहे हैं. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो हम मिस आउट कर जाते हैं. तो फाइंड एन अकाउंटेबिलिटी पार्टनर. स्टार्ट ईच डे with positive affirmation like I'm capable, I'm doing my best, I will achieve my goal. I want you to remember that happiness is not something you find after cracking UPSC. It's something you create every single day. By taking care of your body, calming your mind, and nurturing your soul, you will not only prepare better but also live better. Success will follow when you walk this path with balance, gratitude, and joy. Take this pledge with me today that I will prioritize my health because my dreams deserve my best self. Your UPSC journey may be long and challenging, but you are stronger than you think. One step at a time, one day at a time, you have to embrace this. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best in your journey ahead. See you in the next video. Meanwhile, you comment and let me know how you are taking care of your body, mind, and soul. God bless you all.